Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to XO Kovacs here, back on it. And today I'm going to be showing you how to create videos with a Chromebook. So first you want to hit the search bar, then you hit camera, and then wait till this loads. So you hit video, and then you hit record. So then once you're done creating your video, you go to create video and more. Then you hit upload video. Once it loads, you hit select file, and then you select the file to upload. Then you title, you can make a description, thumbnail, whatever. Then you hit next, and then you do one of these. So for me, it's going to be a bandage because I already uploaded that video. So then you hit publish, and then yeah, you have your videos. It's actually uploaded. So then you can go to the YouTube studio and see all your videos. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful for you, and I'll see you all later. Bye!